Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Port Alfred, South Africa for R1,375,000. The double garage is on remote and is huge. The front door is most welcoming with glass panels which bring in the light. On entering the unit, one is struck by the space. Large open-plan lounge, dining room and kitchen with sliding doors going out onto a covered patio which has superb views. The kitchen has a built-in hob and oven, plenty of cupboard space. This leads into a scullery area which then leads into a large laundry room. Under the house is a separate spare room, the 4th bedroom. This is completely private and leads into the garden and also has views over the town and sea. The 3 bedrooms inside the townhouse are big enough for double bedrooms. The main bedroom has an ensuite bathroom and the other 2 share a large bathroom. This is very good value for money and is waiting for a new owner. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.